In this video, I'm going to show you how to do image analysis with Quen 3. This is a new model developed by China. So you can access chat.quen.ai and it will bring you over here. Of course, you have to log in with your account and you brought in over here. So I've created a chat and I ask you this simple question. This is the sizing methods and tools into strategies. This is an image that talks about different things. So I send in this prompt. Can you briefly analyze this image and tell us the key takeaways from it and take a look at what it has given me? The image depicts a structured process for synthesizing methods and tools into strategies. Take a look at the structure of the process, the key components, as well as the tools. Okay, tool 1, incentives, and then it explains up to tool 1, 2, 1, 3, the strategy, flow and integration, key takeaways from the image, and you can see how detailed it has read the image and give us this very much conclusion. Okay, it's a very nice conclusion. So that's the first prompt that I sent to it. Take a look at the second one. This is a math problem or critical thinking problem that incorporates different kind of cubes to analyze. So I now ask it, can you analyze and tell us the answer in this question for this one? So surprisingly, it has done the arithmetic. It quickly analyzed the image and it understood that there are 3D objects with bottom layer, middle layer, and top layer. And it incorporates steps in the analysis. Take a look at option A, option B, option C. It critically analyzed all the options, option D, and a very, very sound conclusion. But unfortunately, the answer is box B, but I think the answer is not box B in this case. So I prompted, can you rethink? I think the answer is D. Can you rethink it, please? And then it quickly analyzed, apologized, and then it redo the analysis. And then finally, it came out with the answer option D. They show the horizontal arrow of 3 squares. The base attached to the center square is a vertical column of 2. Okay, so it looks like the answer is D and you got it correctly. So the final answer is D. So this is wonderful. You can add in any image and you can ask it to quickly help you to analyze. Let's try to add one more and let's see what it can do for us. Upload an image. So let's say I'm going to add this thumbnail. Can you tell me what this is? All right, quickly. So once you finish the upload, you can just go ahead and hit on enter on this. All right, so let's say this is a thumbnail. So let's see what it is going to quickly say. The image appears to be a professional graphics for something like a thumbnail. Okay, so take a look at the key details. What I like most about this Quen 3 is the speed in which it quickly analyze content and give you results. So take a look. Overall, this is what it means. This is what it means. Final answer. This. So it is really, really nice. It is fantastic. It's a thumbnail that I made on deep research, how to use deep research, and I quickly picked it. It's a promotional graphics or something called deep research, and then see the details of it. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that you can use Quen 3 to analyze your image, regardless whatever image, whether it's a data or a graph or a chart. It can help you to analyze critically. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.